You came here to watch this. Before we watch more, let's give you some backstory. I'm an automotive engineer by trade and started collecting diecast within the past year. I probably don't have nearly as many as you do, but I've enjoyed it. And although I love my diecast collection, I wanted it to feel a little bit more alive. So over the past 6 months, I've worked on a personal project of creating hardware to enable that. I looked around to see if there was anybody doing kits to add lighting to some of these diecast vehicles. What I found was a lot of this. And although not inherently bad, a lot of it is not super intuitive and lacks instructions, and is for a specific diecast model. And that just wasn't going to work for me. I wanted something generic enough where I could take any diecast that I liked and I could retrofit lights to it and make it feel more alive. Now I'll be honest, I am new to this entire process of bringing a product to the market, and I'm sure I will have many bumps along the way. But here's where things currently stand. I have 190 of these kits ready to go, and I'm hoping enough of you guys will bootstrap me into continuing this. I have many other ideas of things to create, and I will gladly listen to your ideas to see where this takes us. Now, if you're one of the 190 people that purchase one of these, I can promise you that this will make it to your door. The materials are already purchased, and the only thing left is you. I'm too awkward to be in camera often, so you may not see my face much, but feel free to follow me on Instagram at DiecastEV. All the links will be in the description below. Now back to the build videos. I'm too awkward to be in camera this often. I'm too awkward to be in camera very often, so you may not see my face much.
A lot of people know me as the goofy guy. I'm the goofiest guy there is. I'm a goofy guy, you know?